Okay, on this video I'm going to show you how to pair your phone to your BMW navigation. In this case we have to go to settings, so push the button in, go to settings, go all the way down to Bluetooth, go to Bluetooth, and right here on your Bluetooth you want to go down to pair a new phone. So I'm going to hit pair a new phone, I'm going to hit start pairing, and then on your phone you want to go to Bluetooth and then search Bluetooth. So hit here on Bluetooth because this is the BMW one, this is the name of it. So once you've seen that, you hit 0 1 2 3 4 4 times and then hit pair. Once you hit pair, you're gonna get this notification, and you hit four zeros, 1 2 3 4, and then come down and hit confirm. Once you confirm, verified, and then you're done. If you want, you can allow the phone to send all your contacts to your navigation system. I'll just hit allow this, so if you wish, and then after that you're done. So now your BMW is connected to your phone. So pretty much that's how you pair your phone to your navigation system. Whatever numbers you push, I push 0 4 times. You can push any numbers you want. You just have to remember whatever numbers you pushed right here, you're gonna have to enter them in the navigation system. Just plain and simple. So just use the same method that I did. Just use 4 zeros on your phone, push 4 zeros on your navigation, and you're good to go.